Okay guys, so we stamped this porch yesterday. We haven't even washed the powder or nothing off it, but we stripped the forms today, and I didn't form this up. The carpenter did, and the homeowner. And what we got here is a really wide face, you know, here, I really don't like that. It doesn't look right. The color's not going to be the same as the top once we wash it and everything. So we're going to fix it today. That's what we're going to do here. We got this product. Let me dig it over here. It's from Butterfield. Cantera Vertical Wall Mix, it's called. Like I said, it's a Butterfield product to color decorative concrete products. I talked to the rep at Skyworks, and this is what he recommends. Because I asked him about a stampable overlay, and he said a stampable overlay won't work on a vertical surface like this. It's more for a top surface. So he says this is the product. So, and there's a primer that you put on there, guys, and this is the primer. We put this stuff on here, T1000 primer, same thing, Butterfield color. That's what we got here. So we're gonna put this primer on there with a roller. I got this roller in my hand, and I'm gonna roll that on there and let that dry according to him. And then we're gonna parge some of this Butterfield product on there and see if we can throw some powder on it and stamp it so that we get this heavy stone texture here. I don't know if it shows up that good, but this is a seamless slate pattern, like a seamless called heavy stone. We've done a bunch of this year. So, and hopefully that, you know, is going to look a little better. I had some other ideas for it, but the way it was formed, we couldn't pull the forms off and stamp it while it was still green. It never would have worked. And I talked about form liners, but they didn't go that route. So we're going to see what we can do with it and make a little video for you today. Don't ask me what they're going to do here, because I don't know. Show them that. Under here. We did not do this, guys. There's a piece of treated lumber in there. So they're going to have to put like a trim piece under here. So I did not frame that out. That assembly there.
Yep.
Nor did I make this face this wide. So
what are we gonna do to the face?
We're gonna put some stampable overlay, like it's a vertical wall parge that you can parge that with, and then we'll color it with our color, our integral color, and we'll mix it up. You put a bonding agent on there, like a paint stuff. We're gonna paint that on, let that dry, mix up our stampable vertical stuff, parge that on there, and then we're gonna put a powder in it, just like that, and stamp it. Redneck ingenuity. Too much on it. You gotta use 2% milk and roll it on the side. Roll the 2% milk on there. Hey guys, Bondo here. So like I said, we're fixing up the edge of this porch here. I really didn't like it at all, so we're putting this bonding agent on there. That's what the rep recommended. Rolling this stuff on here, letting it dry. And I could have used a heavier nap roller. It would have worked a little bit better, but that's what we did here. And then this will dry and we'll proceed with the next step.
I can't resist sometimes, you know. Is that 17?
Yeah.
So what do we got going on here, Ron?
Well, we're putting the water to it. It says to have 1.75 to 2 gallons of water. So we're using this 12-ounce bottle. Looks like we got plenty of water in there. I said not to mix it up too not to put too much water in it because it'll weaken it. So that's actually less than.
Not to put too little either, it'll shrink.
Right. The water's kind of critical, in other words, according to the directions. This is our first time playing this. They say to use a paddle mixer, but I didn't feel like going home to get the paddle mixer.
Put a big biscuit on it.
Yep.
Same thing.
Okay guys, we're just mixing it up. There was a precise amount of water we had to add in this according to the directions, so we're putting that in. Then we're going to put a little color in there. Over here guys, I'm going to put a little bit of black color in there because the concrete had some integral color in it and I wanted it to match. So there's that black powder, same powder we used in the concrete mix. And we're just mixing that up in there, trying to make it match better. That's what we did. We wanted the same color as the top, so that's how we did that. Yeah. I'm gonna lose half of it, probably.
That's probably why he gave you 2 bags.
It's just like parging with.
Give him 3.
It's like parging with mortar. It feels like. He gave me 3 bags.
Seems like a lot.
It's not very sticky, guys. Not very sticky. Likes to fall right off. Feels just like trying to parge with regular mortar. I don't know.
We'll figure it out.
Got a lot of sand in it.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. You can actually see the sand.
Can you?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, you can. It's like regular sand or some special sand.
Actually, gold dust.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is infused with gold dust.
I feel like we're gonna get a lot of pattern in there unless we put it like that.
Just grab your stamp.
Yeah.
So we ain't washing that bad boy today.
No.
8 hours. Yeah. Don't forget about this side up here.
Okay guys, so this stuff went on just like mortar parge would. I don't know if you've ever parged with straight mortar, like a type S mortar, like if you ever parged a foundation with mortar or parged a chimney or anything. That's what this stuff felt like. It wasn't really sticky, so you kind of had to press it in pretty good. It wanted to fall off, so it's not like the Nudura product that's real sticky or Comproco Block Bond. It's got a lot of additives and stuff. It didn't feel like that, but once I got the hang of it, it went on all right, and just had to be careful not to drop it and press on it real good with your trowel so that it's stuck in there good.
There's the rain.
Oh, that's rain. Please rain. Ooh, look at that. It's sponge on top.
Mm-hmm. Weather forecast only said it was supposed to come at 6. They lied.
It's showing up.
Yeah.
Okay, you guys can do this. Dustin and hit. See that green right there? That kind of looks nice versus this. See how I did
Because
that?
it just leaves the bubbles.
See, that just leaves like kind of ugly.
So do you want to keep
just
flipping it? Like,
yeah, you could
use
you
this
could,
one?
You could go up with it, like this, I think, and then turn it. I'd use this section of the stand because this is. See how deep that is?
Too deep.
That's too deep. So watch if I put this. Like,
Really getting in there, man. Be careful not to twist either.
yeah. Hit it, Jay.
Oh, yeah.
Maybe Bondo about here.
Oh, yeah.
That looks nice. That will come out nice.
You flip? No. You gotta,
Well,
you gotta turn it or something.
I'm
Go.
just
put
gonna
it lower,
an angle.
like this angle.
this.
Like with the line going like that way.
That.
Yeah, just turn it kind of cockeyed.
Looks good.
Better than it did, at least.
This is some cool shit.
I'm putting my hoodie on.
Grab my raincoat.
Right here.
Oh.
I'm gonna put it on at least so it doesn't get muddy.
Mm-hmm.
We're gonna put that product inside that book.
Oh shit.
Yep.
Grab your color and stuff that's out there. Told you the rain was coming. I told her so. Don't do this stuff in the rain.
Does not work well with rain.
FYI.
I'll put that right there. Better. Looks a lot better. Looks about 100% better than that.
Mm-hmm.
Alright. Go in it. Well, we're fixing this face. We're going to stamp this whole face. You see the difference between the two?
Yeah, take a look if you didn't mean.
It looks way different.
Looks way better.
I kind of made an executive decision.
No, that's the right decision. Well, executive don't make that ones.
I didn't like it. It's like, it looks so good up here, and to see that face, just,
Yeah, there's such a big face on this.
yeah. I thought you either gotta put cultured stone over it, or
Oh, yeah, look at that.
do something.
Yeah.
Well, look at over here where it ain't on there, and you can see the difference.
Oh, right, yeah. Yeah, I see what you're saying.
Big difference.
Yeah, that looks really neat.
See what that broken rock look on the face.
Definitely looks like stone, you know?
Yeah, it's
Did you get to dinner for your birthday last night?
yeah, it did.
Good.
Well, guys, that's pretty much it for the video. That's how you would stamp a vertical surface, like on a step or something that you wanted to cover up. I was pretty impressed with this product. You know, once I got the hang of it, it stamped out real nice. It matches real good on the top. So I hope you got something out of the video, guys. Just trying to help you out the best I can on different situations. You guys that aren't subscribed to my channel, check it out. Subscribe to my channel. We got a lot of good videos on there, guys. Over 100 videos on concrete stuff, and a lot of Nudura foundation videos. All kinds of anything to do with concrete. So check that out. My subscribers, thanks for subscribing, and thanks for the support and all the good questions and all the feedback. I really appreciate it, and keep that up for me. And we'll catch you on the next video, guys. Okay, guys, here's that stampable overlay stuff. Looks a lot better. Made it look a lot better than it did. Of course, it's got to be washed and sealed and everything, but looks just like the top. Big improvement. I'll try to get a video of it when it's sealed, guys.